Well, good morning, my Instagram friends worldwide. Mr. Sunshine coming to you live right here, right now in a hot, sunny South Florida morning as things are taking place. Things are cultivating right now. As a matter of fact, we got a lot going on today, Mr. Sunshine. A realtor, Eddy, was in play early this morning. Locksmith, Eddy's in play right now. Rolls-Royce technician Eddy will be coming up here shortly as we're making our rounds today. Oceanside, penthouse to penthouse, making the whole world smile. That's right. Well, let me tell you something. There's a whole lot to talk about today, whether we're talking about domestic relations, foreign relations, all the action going on here. We're talking about gasoline. We're talking about all of it. Well, let me tell you, Lucky. Oh, Lucky, how are you? You know what? I'm lucky to have Lucky on the feed right now. Snow Biden. You know Snow Biden? Let me tell you something. It just goes on. We're talking about 95 degrees here in sunny South Florida today. It's going to be another hot one. That's right. Going to be another hot one here as we're going to be easing on Oceanside in just a short period of time. So we got a lot going on right now. As a matter of fact, we're going to stop in at the Four Seasons. That's right. The Four Seasons 5-star hotel. We'll stop in and say hello to the boys over there as we're easing on in. That's right. We're easing on in to the days here in South Florida, and no question about it. Hope you're all having a great day today, right here in sunny South Florida.